something big. You help me pull. Is that a good time to end the day?
Yep.
Almost got the whole family together. Well, I have one of my best friends here. Sadly, his little brother had to stay home. He didn't feel really good today, so mommy stayed home with him. But we're gonna try to get on some fish.
Yeah!
Okay, that's some energy. That's the energy we needed because we're struggling lately. So let's try to set up here. We're gonna try to use our ninja skills today. We're gonna make it. We might put one float setup over there, but most of our rods are naked single drop. Lately, winter fishing, end of January, and in the winter time sometimes it's hard to get on some fish. So sometimes switching things up, it's a good thing. If one thing doesn't work, just switch it up. It doesn't hurt. That's it. That's how it looks like. This time we have a south wind blowing from this direction. At least it's warm. So that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to come here midday, just before the high tide, when the sun is up. So at least the air is warm, water is cool. The water looks muddy up close, but there is a trough over there that looks more clearer, and past that it's even more clear water. So first rod in, nothing on it, no floats, only shrimp and fish bite. Water is cloudy, like I said, up front, and we have a full wolf moon. So with the south winds, the surf is not really moving. We have it, so we will set up one rod with floats. Might as well. We have enough spikes, plenty of room on the beach. Something just hit our rod. The floats we have is purple going in. Benjamin, let's check this rod. Think there is something? Feel any shakes? Something was bumping it, but tiny whiting. All right.
That's a good start.
All right, that's a good start. It's a good start. Not the biggest fish, but first fish. Yeah, it's not big enough for cut bait. We do have our drone with us. Go, buddy. So maybe we can swing a drone out there if we get some bigger fish to cut. What's happening over here? Oh, Benyo, check this one. Here.
Something.
Oh, feel something, huh?
Shark.
Bonnet hit shark, huh? Nice. All right, good job.
Second capture today.
Nice work. Bonnet hit shark. Right away on the float. Second catch of the day. Little bonnet hit shark. Big man is on the run. Nice job. All right, two fish. First cast on the floats, and bonnet hit it. Usually pumps hit same float as bonnet head. So let's see. Aim it in the same area. Boom. If we can get bigger whiting, that would be great too, but nothing is going right now. There's a little bit more water here now up close, so I'm gonna try to get this closer. Oh, get it. Reel it. Got something? Yeah. A whiting? Hey, get out of here, Fred. Oh, that's a base size whiting. Nice. Good job, Benyo. No way, Fred.
This is not your food. It's Matthew. And it's not dry.
Oh, Benyo. The first rod.
Daddy, please right away from me.
All right. Nice size whiting. That's a 18 size whiting, but we're gonna use this guy for bait because we brought the drone with us. Oh, that's another whiting. Nice. Good job, Benyo. You're scoring all the fish.
Told ya it's not just one whiting.
Good job. Look at this. This is a big one.
10 tons.
Yeah, good job. This is another nice size. This is pushing 14.5 inches. My boy is scoring all the fish, and we're gonna use one of them for bait.
Daddy, we really gotta chase Fred away because did you see how close he was to snatching that fish?
Yep, I saw it. There is like a clearer patch over there past that muddy water. That's what we're aiming for. It's not the cleanest water there, but it looks like it holds some fish in that trough. So let's keep repeating that. Gonna use one of those whitings for bait. Hope we will score a nice big fish. Slow, 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 slow. Slow, 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 slow. Hold it here, hold it here. You got it? Huh? What is it? Is it big? You okay? You got this. What is it? Something hit hard. Is that another shark or what? Yeah, it's a shark, but it got tangled. Good job. My boy is landing all the good fish today. Another bonnethead. Bunch of fun, not the fish that we were gonna keep and eat, but nice fun, right, Benyo?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. You wanna let him go? Right.
Yeah.
Nice.
Bye-bye, Mr. Sharky.
Give me a 5. Good job. We're gonna aim for the same spot. They're there. They're looking for something. Whiting are there. Bonnets are there. Maybe Pomp will show up. Let's see. Nice juicy gutty piece of whiting. Right there. We're gonna have to get it out there pretty far because of the muddy water, but let's try to get something bigger here. Now slowly go forward. What does it say over there? 87. Okay, keep going. Keep going to like go to like 180. All right, now drop it. All right, good job. All right, nice work, Benyo. All right, now we got a bait dropped. Let's see, around 170 meters. That's close to like 180 yards. Let's see if something's gonna pick that up. As soon as it touches the ground, disengage. Nice work. Good job. High five. Awesome. No, 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 this is big fish, big fish. No, 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 Benyo, big fish. Oh. I think it's on. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh. Ooh. Big fish, Benyo. Big fish. Oh, we gotta stop this guy. Woo! This is a big fish, Benjamin. Oh man, he's way out there. He's gonna pull us. That's a big fish. I'm trying to get him close so he doesn't get tangled in the buoys. There's a lot of buoys over there.
You got tangled in the buoys?
Before, yeah, but oh man, we just lost whatever we gained. Ooh, Benyo, something big. You help me pull. Whew.
Even moving?
It's coming in. It's still a lot of line out there. Benyo, reel all the lines in.
All of that?
Yes. You must have seen a sandbar. Good job, small one too, yeah. Hopefully we can land that thing so we can at least see what it is. Oh, we wanted something big, we have something big. Seems like we're dragging all those buoys with the weights to the beach. Because that's what it feels like rocks. Swimming side to side.
Is it close to shore?
Oh, it's still a little out there. It's closer than it was, but something heavy by now. Oh. Saw the beach. Right here. Whatever it is, it's not that far.
Anyway, this is where we put the shark bait in first place.
Yes. Oh. Come on, show yourself.
Show yourself.
Oh yeah, nice one. It's a nice shark, Benyo.
That thing's huge.
Gotta take it easy because we might lose him here. He's close.
Really close. I saw his fin. I saw his tail. I saw his head. He is huge. You are big. Probably 18 sets of man will carry that.
Yeah, that's a nice shark. He's not done.
You can do it.
All right. No, that might be a bull. That might be a bull. Oh yeah. Woo, look at this big boy. Nice. Woo. There you go. How much the line? All right, let's get him in. Oh, that's a big boy. Woo. See ya. Nice. Good job. Yeah. Woo.
Hi.
Nice.
That's the biggest fish we caught in our whole fishing.
Nice one. That was a nice size shark, huh? Woo.
I'm definitely adding that to my bowl.
Is that a good time to end the day?
Yep.
Beautiful sunset today, but we're not gonna see it all the way through. We spent a few hours here. Sadly, not the whole family, but I had my biggest friend here and he scored a lot of fish today, put all the work in. He was casting it out and doing his job.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. No better way to end the day. Water was infested with sharks today. No Pompano, that's how it is. You can always get what you want, but it was a bunch of fun. So we'll see you at the next one from a beautiful Florida beach.
Hi.
See ya. Is it pulling? Oh no, you have a shark on it. Look, Benjamin, what's going on over here today?